This is a 1-minute scalping strategy for gold during the London-New York session. Start by drawing 2 vertical lines, one for when the London-New York opens, and a second line for when the session ends and we stop trading. Next, add a single indicator, a simple moving average set to 20. This strategy involves using the moving average as support. We wait for price to pierce below the moving average and then come back above with a green candle. Only place a buy trade when price finishes with a green candle confirming an uptrend. I will fast forward the video to when a good opening shows up. Price has pierced below the moving average. Wait for a green candle and then place a buy trade. With a green candle, I will place a buy order using a stop loss of 15 pips and a take profit of 20 pips. I will fast forward to see how this trade does. $20 pips of profit. We will now wait for price to pierce below the moving average and close above with a green candle. Once again, price pierced the moving average. Price came back up with a green candle. Place another buy trade with a stop loss of 15 pips and a take profit of 20 pips. Fast forward and see how this trade does. $40 pips of profit. Time is getting close to the end of the session. We only have enough time to place one last trade. Price pierced the moving average, but no green candle. We don't trade until a green candle. Finally, a green candle. Place the last buy trade for today. Remember, a stop loss of 15 pips and a take profit of 20 pips. Fast forward and see how this trade does. That's 60 pips of profit in one trading session. We must stop because it is getting close to the end of the London-New York session. A quick review. For this strategy to work, the price must pierce the moving average, and then cross back above with a green candle. Never place a buy trade until you see a green confirmation candle. Subscribe for more tutorials on trading.